भाजपा प्रवेशाविशीं आपल्याक प्रस्ताव आयिल्लो ना ही पुरायपणान फकत एक वावडी आशिल्ल्याचे काँग्रेसीचो हळडणचो आमदार कालूस फरेरान सांगले। आपल्या भितरले वाद भायर सरचे न्ही ह्या खातीर लोकांक कुवाड्यान उडोवपाकूच भाजपान ही वावडी पाताळिल्ल्याचेय कालूस सांगता। पळयात भाजपा प्रवेशाविशीं काँग्रेस आमदार कालूस फरेराचे स्पश्टीकरण।
So this you can take for guaranteed for sure. I don't know whether I would use the word not invited or not included, but see, there are times when people do these things. I can't tell that anyone may or may not go, but definitely I don't see any reason why the BJP should try to increase these numbers when they are comfortable with 20, unless there is instability in the government. आणि ती इन्स्टेबिलिटी जाल्यार फकत भितरले आनी तें खबर आसतली. And I don't know any truth about these rumors. I can't make any statement about it, but I can be sure that I have not received any invitation, nor have I received any proposal, and therefore it's very premature to react. थोडे फाटी लोक म्हणटात हिंगसून 5 वयतात, थिंगसून 10 वयतात, but till there is any concrete thing, this kind of rumor, gossiping, rumor mongering, चलतलेच.